Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cookies. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 cup of softened butter. Also, 3/4 of a cup each of granulated and brown sugar, plus 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't forget 1 cup of chocolate chips. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit before you begin. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream together your softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour and baking soda, then gradually add this dry mixture to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Once your dough is ready, it's time to add those delicious chocolate chips, or any other mix-ins you prefer. Stir them in gently until evenly distributed. Then, drop rounded tablespoons of dough onto ungreased baking sheets, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake in your preheated 375 degree Fahrenheit oven for 9 to 11 minutes, or until the edges are golden brown and the centers are just set. After baking, it's important to let your cookies cool properly. Leave them on the baking sheets for about 2 minutes. This helps them firm up and prevents them from breaking. Then, carefully transfer the warm cookies to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, you can enjoy them immediately or store them in an airtight container for up to 3 to 5 days. Enjoy your homemade cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.